Will you stop it?
Sorry guys, you had to wait.
Hello.
Sit down. No need for formality. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
So you both have been married for 7 years now.
7 years, 2 months and 14 days.
And approximately 8 hours.
That's not a very long time. I think so.
हाँ, सदियां बीत गई.
Is that supposed to be good or bad?
He obviously means it in a bad sense.
ये फिर से शुरू हो गई.
Why are you looking away? हिम्मत है तो आंखों में आंखें डालकर बात करो ना.
तुम फिर से शुरू हो गई.
How dare you mock me in front of someone else?
तो शुरुआत किसने की?
You did.
So now it's all my fault.
Glad you have realized that.
Guys, are you done?
Sorry.
Sorry, but I guess you're convinced that we can't live together.
Well, I'm not convinced. Can I talk to the two of you separately?
Sure.
That's so much better.
So, Priya, tell me,
What?
whatever you want to share.
Don't you have a list of questions? Like a questionnaire?
No. What do you want?
Obviously. A divorce from Charu.
Well, I don't know if I can give you that, but if I feel so, I can certainly recommend it to the court. But you see, I need reasons for that.
Reasons? What kind of reasons?
Solid, grounded reasons. What is it which is driving you to take such an extreme step of going for a divorce with Charu? Something that you hate about him?
Huh? That's easy. There are plenty. He snores. Not the normal one.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty loud. Like Dolby Digital.
She's quite finicky about her cleanliness. Well, I'm not that particular.
हर दिन, I mean रोज सवेरे स्नान के बाद अपना गीला टॉवल बेड पे छोड़ देते हैं, as usual. And every single day I pointed it out to him.
Her serials. वो सास बहू वाले. I hate it to the core. You know जिसमें husbands के सारे extramarital affairs होते हैं.
He's exactly like those male chauvinist husbands जो सीरियल्स में होते हैं. और ये सीरियल्स भी रियल लाइफ स्टोरी से बनती है.
Her parents? Definitely her parents. They want to have a say in every decision of us.
Was it a love marriage or an arranged marriage?
Love marriage.
But we did get our parents' approval. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने भाग के शादी की.
We met at a common friend's place. He was sitting on a chair.
I saw her sitting there getting bored, playing with a glass. I thought I saw her steal a look.
मैं बैठे बैठे काफी बोर हो रही थी. फिर अचानक वो आकर मुझसे बातें करने लगा. और फिर हम पार्टी छोड़कर we had a long walk on Marine Drive. Can you believe it?
उस वक्त हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही थी.
I thought it was a magical moment. At that time,
We had कुल्फी. और उस कुल्फी वाले के पास वो आखिरी कुल्फी थी. We had to share it.
You guys never wanted a child?
Doctor said she won't be able to conceive. She was deeply in pain. She went into depression.
I can't have a baby. The doctor said I can't have a baby. I can't have a baby.
वो टूट गई थी. Adoption भी एक ऑप्शन था,
But I don't think he was genuinely saying it. I mean, it was just like offering me a consolation prize.
Do you think he has an affair? An extramarital affair?
Charu? No. I don't think he has the nerve to look at another lady.
no, she cannot cheat on me. She already has the best.
The best gift?
Chocolates. I made chocolates for her. पर उसे तो लगता है कि मैं बुरा कुक हूँ.
Chocolates are really yummy. पहले तो मुझे लगा he must have bought them from the market. But when I entered the kitchen, it was in a mess. And I knew he had made it himself.
But I know she loved those chocolates.
So what do you guys want me to write in the report?
Can you hold that for a while?
Yes.
सर कहाँ रखूं?
हाँ, यहाँ रख दो. Thank you. Please go ahead.
कुल्फी? और वो भी सिर्फ एक?
आखिरी कुल्फी थी.